And also the reason why it's going to result in this screen, it's based on the funnel setup. So let's just say if you have a funnel here and they're going to opt into a form or a survey, and from there you're going to assign them a user at this form or survey level. So I would recommend just not assign any users at that level. So after they opt into a form or a survey, it's going to be generic where they're going to add to a campaign without assigning to any of the users, and only assign them in the appointment level. So if you really want to assign them a user, you can also configure the setup like this. So let's just say after they opt in to a campaign, so this is my opt-in campaign, and instead of assigning them to the campaign in here, so you're going to assign them to, you're going to add them to book an appointment campaign. So instead of doing this, you're going to add them to a wait campaign instead. So go to the campaigns page. So after you create a wait campaign, the trick is to hit add event, messenger, because you usually might not have messenger integrated, or maybe you can select GMB message. Either way, it's fine. And then you can click somewhere else. So when you create the messenger event, click somewhere else, so nothing will be sent at this point. So click the gray area and then put it for 30 minutes. So when the lead comes in, they're going to be added to the wait campaign for 30 minutes before going to the next campaign. And there would be no one in here, no users should be assigned. And in the next campaign here, you're going to select the opt-in campaign that they're going to be assigned to the user at that level. So in that case, I will add them to this campaign, ask them to book. So in here, you will not be assigning any of the user, and this is it. This is the end of the campaign. Remember to publish it. And the next thing is to go into this ask them to book campaign, and from here, you will then assign the user. So I can assign the user. So that would be the assigned from the assign the user from the team calendar. And since they're assigned at the campaign level, you won't be able to have to assign them in the trigger or anything like that. So once they get assigned in here, you can hit save. And the calendar link that you're sending them to book the appointment, it will not be the team calendar anymore. It's going to be the user's individual calendar. So let's just say if you ask them to book an appointment, and in this case, it's going to be the link that you set up according to the video I attach here. So I'm going to put this link in the video below on how you can set up the user calendar link based on the user assigned. But basically, the idea is to create a calendar pointing to each user. So go to your team calendar, and let's just say if I'm using this team calendar here. When you create a calendar, the link, it's going to change based on the user first name. So from here, let's just say it's going to round robin between these calendar. You're going to put the user first name in here, and after you set up the link, you're going to take the link, and when you design the link in the campaign, you're going to paste the link. Sorry, not this link. But let me copy this link, and then you're going to put user dot first name. So this, it's going to switch based on the user that's assigned in the campaign configuration. So the details goes into this video here. Make sure you watch this, and then you will be able to attach the link according to the user, and it's going to update according to who's the user assigned. And from there, you can have another trigger that says if they are added to the opt-in campaign, then you can send the notification to the users. So in this case, you can do it like send SMS to the user.phone, and then put in the information here. Please take a look at the leads that got assigned. And so from here, we can make sure that when they book the appointment, if they did not book the appointment after 10 minutes, they're going to be added to this campaign in which they're going to be assigned to the user. And then from the campaign, it's going to send them the user booking link based on the user. So that will help to prevent them from booking from the team calendar and got reassigned to another agent. So that's what we can suggest as a workaround in order to avoid issues like if they book on a team calendar again, then it's going to be reassigned. So hopefully this video will help a little bit more. And after you assign the user in here, they're going to get an email with the user calendar link. And from there, that calendar, it's for sure going to be pointing to that user only instead of the team calendar.